leave him alive. Please leave him. Perhaps we may get spared by those evil 4 culprits. Please don't. Don't smash.
The dawn of a new era. The 4 culprits.
Mobilize 5 for both sides. Get ready. The attack must be done in 10 minutes, or you are fired.
We are not going to retaliate. Either you give those 4 culprits in my hands, or your life to my blade. Be unstoppable, undefeatable. You hear them once, you remember them twice.
Hi guys, I have categorized all the features, effects, and all the tricks I used to edit this movie trailer you just watched now. So I have put them in 3 categories, so that it will be very easy to teach you everything you need to know when it comes to edit a professional movie trailer. From the intro, cinematic moves, color correction, all the fancy text effects, the masks used, even the audio editing. So what you are going to do, is to check your notifications. Because I'm going to give all this breakdown in my very next upload tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just reach your finger to that subscribing button to stay ready for the coolest.